Welcome back. In this session, I will explain database design and database anomalies. First, let us see database design. It specifies how to interpret the attributes or entity values stored in the data. How we can interpret with the attributes in the data, that is database design. Database anomalies. Anomalies is nothing but problems. Problems are occurs in relation due to the redundancy. Redundancy means duplication of data. In general word, that is called problem. In Dbms, that is called anomalies. There are three types of anomalies that occur when the database is not normalized. We'll discuss later on what is normalization, types of normalization, and so on. First one, insertion. Second one, update. Third one, deletion. What is the meaning of insertion? Already table is there. You know that table. It is having number of rows and number of columns. It is having more than one rows and more than one columns. Already tuples are there. If I add one more or two more or three more tuples, that is called insertion. Adding new data into the table, that is called insertion. Update, what does it mean? Already I stored the data. There is some correction. I want to modify something. Assume employee ID is there in a table. Assume employee name is there, employee address is there, employee department is there. Here, employee name I stored A by mistake. I want to make it XYZ. That is updation. That is called what? Yeah, updation. Next, deletion. Already, I stored unwanted data into a table by mistake. If I remove that, that is called deletion. If I remove that, that is called deletion. See, let us see one table having the employee ID. There you are going to store the employee identification. Employee name, there you are going to store the employee name. EMP address, there you are going to store the employees' addresses. EMP DPT, there you are going to store the department details in which the employee works. Here, this is a table. Okay. This is the first domain name is, column name is EMP ID. Second column name is EMP name. Third column name is EMP address. Fourth column is EMP DPT. Assume here no normalization. We will discuss later normalization. There are different types are there. First, let us say update anomaly. This occurs when the record is updated in the relation. See, if you want to modify a particular attribute, you have to modify the entire data. entire tuple. This anomaly occurs in updation. You got the meaning of updation. Suppose, assume employee ID is 1, name is A, address is XYZ, department is accounts. I stored employee name is A. I want to make it as XYZ. That is updation. If you made it XYZ, that is updation. But entire tuple, entire data will be updated. This anomaly occurs in updation. Next, insert anomaly. Suppose already some data are there. If you add some more data to the table, that is called insertion. Suppose assume when insertion anomaly occurs, the particular employee joins newly to the company. Company does not mention any department. In that case, very difficult to insert it. You should not give EMP department as null. You have to specify the department. He is a newly appointed. But there is no department name for him. This anomaly occurs in insertion. Next, deletion anomaly. You know that what is deletion? Already some data are there. I want to remove the unwanted data from the table. That's called deletion. Suppose when the deletion anomaly occurs, suppose the particular department is there, department name is there, department number is there. If I want to delete that, assume there is only one employee is there. If you want to delete that, along with the deletion of the department, you have to delete the details about the particular employee who is working in that department, in that department number. This is what a deletional anomaly. If you want to overcome these anomalies, we need to normalize the data. Later we'll discuss. This is about what you know, database design and database anomalies. You got it? Design means what here? Specifies how interpret the attributes and entity values stored in the database. Anomalies is the problems. These are occurs in the relation. Why? Because of redundancy, duplication of data. Mainly there are three types of anomalies. One is insertion, updation, deletion. When insertion anomaly occurs, if I want to add new data to the table, at that time insertion anomaly occurs. Already I have given one example. New employee joined to the company, but company does not mention any department. Here that problem occurs because you should not give the blank to the department. Next, update anomaly. Already I stored some data. I want to modify something. By mistake I stored something else. I want to modify it. In that case, update anomaly occurs. Along with that, entire data will be restored. Next, deletion anomaly. When it occurs, I want to delete the particular employee, whatever. We cannot delete only that. You have to delete entire information. This is deletion anomaly. If you want to solve all these anomalies, we need to normalize the data. We need to use the normalization. Later on, we'll discuss in coming sessions what is normalization, types of normalization, how we can overcome all these three anomalies: insertion, updation, deletion, and so on. Thank you. See you in the next session.